UTIs are coming back again and again. Hygiene is not the answer or the reason. People say you are not keeping it hygienic. That is not the reason for UTIs. Let me tell you the most common 5 reasons which can cause recurrent UTI or repeated UTI infections, urinary tract infections. First one, most common, is the incomplete bladder emptying. So either due to posture, or you are holding on to urine for a long time, or there are times there are structural abnormalities, or there is possibility of leaving a small amount of urine in the bladder. So that will lead to the increase of bacteria in the bladder, causing the infections. Second common reason is the bacterial strain itself. When you had a previous UTI, those bacteria were very stubborn and resistant. They were not eliminated. They made the biofilm, or they were attached to the bladder inside. So that is can again cause the infections. The third common cause is the hormonal changes, specifically in the postmenopausal women, where the good bacteria in the vagina also reduces. There is more of dryness, and that causes a increased risk of UTIs. Another one is the inappropriate use of antibiotics. So when you had an infection, you did not complete the course, or you did not use the proper antibiotic which were needed. So that can lead to just a suppression of bacteria and not killing it completely. So by the time again the bacteria get a good environment, it will again cause the infections. The last but not the least is the anatomical or the functional factors like kidney stones or diabetes or prolonged comorbidities. All these things can again cause repeated infections. Of course, hygiene matters a lot. I'm not denying that, but the hygiene is not the reason UTIs will happen. So just feel free to comment me in the comment section what are your past cells, or what kind of UTI symptoms you are feeling, like frequent urination, or burning sensation, or urgency that you really want to pee but it's not actually happening. All those symptoms, or mild fever or mild abdominal discomfort, all these are the common symptoms. So just tell me in the comment box what you are feeling. I'll suggest you what to do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all the support. I am Dr. Shikha. Thank you so much.